Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Shoda, and this is a short unboxing of the Somnium VR1 Ultimate Edition. Now, a small disclaimer here, I am currently employed by Somnium Space. However, Arta sent me this to do some content for this channel and to do some live streams in it. As this is an experimental development version, there are a few imperfections on this particular headset, but don't worry, your headset will be perfect. Somnium Space throw in a few stickers because who doesn't like high quality glossy stickers? Beautiful. This majestic looking headset feels great in the hands with a high quality sturdy feeling. These traits are also present in the 6-meter hybrid cable. All variants of the VR1 headset come with a European, a USA and a UK power connector. Also included is some spare screws and a screwdriver, and also a high quality cleaning cloth. The 6-meter hybrid cable included is extremely high quality. It has metal connections and also metal joint boxes. So let's have a recap of what's included. A welcome note from Arta himself, some nice glossy stickers, a screwdriver with accompanying spare screws in case you lose any, the power adapter, a Somnium Space branded high quality cleaning cloth, a UK plug, a USA plug, and a European plug. Being modular, Somnium Space know people will want to tinker with their headset, so the included screwdriver and screws are a massive bonus. Peel away these covers to reveal those gorgeous dual aspheric lenses. These dual aspheric lenses give the biggest field of view, the largest sweet spot, and also, most importantly, they let the most light through. So your VR image will be bright, vibrant, and colourful. And let's not forget the mechanical IPD slider so you can dial yours in perfectly. There's going to be a lot of content about the VR1 on this channel, including live streams, games, and 3D printed creations. So if there's anything else you want to know about this headset, let us know in the comments below.